ABC Speaking Academy. Today, let's have a speaking practice using comment. Daily use English sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. You handled it well.
You handled it well.
I care about you.
I care about you.
Let's start from here.
Let's start from here.
We share good memories.
We share good memories.
Don't worry too much.
Don't worry too much.
I had a vision.
I had a vision.
Please come on time.
Please come on time.
I truly like this.
I truly like this.
You are so bright.
You are so bright.
It's too quiet here.
It's too quiet here.
I'm feeling excited.
I'm feeling excited.
You said it nicely.
You said it nicely.
I trust your choice.
I trust your choice.
Let's meet later.
Let's meet later.
We are amazing friends.
We are amazing friends.
Don't lose hope.
Don't lose hope.
I had a nice thought.
I had a nice thought.
Please wait for me.
Please wait for me.
I really like your style.
I really like your style.
You are so gentle.
You are so gentle.
It's too cold inside.
It's too cold inside.
I'm feeling light today.
I'm feeling light today.
You spoke so clearly.
You spoke so clearly.
I trust your heart.
I trust your heart.
Let's enjoy this time.
Let's enjoy this time.
We are closed buddies.
We are closed buddies.
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared.
I had a great plan.
I had a great plan.
Please stay for dinner.
Please stay for dinner.
I really enjoy your talks.
I really enjoy your talks.
You are very sweet.
You are very sweet.
It's too late tonight.
It's too late tonight.
I'm feeling fine now.
I'm I'm feeling fine now.
You explained it well.
You explained it well.
I trust your advice.
I trust your advice.
Let's go for a coffee.
Let's go for a coffee.
We are strong together.
We are strong together.
Don't feel left out.
Don't feel left out.
I had an idea today.
I had an idea today.
Please text me later.
Please text me later.
I really appreciate this.
I really appreciate this.
You are so kind-hearted.
You are so kind-hearted.
It's too windy outside.
It's too windy outside.
I'm feeling proud of you.
I'm feeling proud of you.
You made it possible.
You made it possible.
I trust your decision.
I trust your decision.
Let's sit and relax.
Let's sit and relax.
We are amazing buddies.
We are amazing buddies.
Don't feel nervous now.
Don't feel nervous now.
I had a nice dream.
I had a nice dream.
You did a good job.
You did a good job.
I respect your opinion.
I respect your opinion.
Let's share this moment.
Let's share this moment.
We are true partners.
We are true partners.
Don't be sad again.
Don't be sad again.
I had a happy thought.
I had a happy thought.
Please join me later.
Please join me later.
I really love your voice.
I really love your voice.
You are so thoughtful.
You are so thoughtful.
It's too hot inside.
It's too hot inside.
I'm feeling fresh again.
I'm feeling fresh again.
You spoke it perfectly.
You spoke it perfectly.
I trust you always.
I trust you always.
Let's go for a walk.
Let's go for a walk.
We are great companions.
We are great companions.
Don't feel anxious.
Don't feel anxious.
I had a cool plan.
I had a cool plan.
I really enjoyed the day.
I really enjoyed the day.
You are so cheerful.
You are so cheerful.
It's too dark outside.
It's too dark outside.
I'm feeling calm now.
I'm feeling calm now.
Thanks for listening. Until next speaking adventure.